donut hole eyeballs. I am using store-bought donut holes, and just wait till you see how cute these are. So Mauricio, I've got a bowl of melted green candy melts. I just dropped a store-bought donut hole right into the bowl. And then here's the trick for getting the chocolate to sheet over. You just kind of tap and let it kind of sheet down. See how pretty it looks? I don't know if you've ever referred to a green donut hole as pretty necessarily, but it's kind of cool. Mom! So these are candy eyeballs, and I'm just gonna put one right on top. Look how cute. Look, Mauricio. It's a big green eyeball. He looks so alarmed. I love it. So I'm gonna do that exact same thing to the rest of these. I've got red candy melts in a piping bag, and Mauricio, you gotta watch this. I'm gonna use it to pipe little squiggly veins on the eyeballs. Ew. We need some eye drops here. Blood? No, they're veins. Look at that. Is that cute or what? All right, I'm gonna do that same thing to the rest of these. Now I just have to let these sit until they're completely set. It'll take about 15 minutes. Okay, very cute. Donut hole eyeballs.